In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the bumper off a MK8 GTI. I have the wheel turned all the way to the driver's side. I'm working on the passenger side first. I got a 10mm on a long extension, and I got a T25 and an angle drill attachment. We got a 10mm that goes up from the bumper cover into the fender bracket. That's just a threaded bolt. And then we got T25s, 3 of them from the fender liner to the bumper cover. And then we'll repeat this on the other side of the car also. Under the car, we have 5 across the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all T25s. Along the fender liner, we got 2 more. 1, 2, that'll detach fender liner from the edge of the bumper cover. Before I pull a bumper off a car, I like to remove the ground terminal off the battery. This is a 10mm. I'll put something non-conductive between the terminal and this, just to make sure they don't accidentally touch. We don't have a lot of slack here, so there's a chance that could move. I'm just using a piece of wood. Now that's not going to be an issue. You just want to make sure you don't close your hood, because that's sticking up at this point. We have 2 more T25s on the top of the grill. I'm going to just slide this back. It's just clips and friction fit in the top edge there. I'll throw a little bit of tape on this top edge of the headlight just so I don't scratch that. Before I pull the bumper though, I'm going to slide this grill forward. The bottom just slides in horizontal also. We're going to leave this attached and just set it on the top here so it's out of the way. And we're not messing with any of those plugs because those are the ones that can throw an error on the dash. With this grill out of the way, there's a couple more screws here that hold the top edge of the bumper onto the core support. Again, T25s, you got 4 of them. With those removed, bumper should come off now. Start at one end, pop that, pop the other end, and then slide it forward. All right, at this point you can see the plugs for the fog lights, and then if the car has proximity sensors, 1 main harness up at the top on the driver's side, and then 1 for each fog light. So we'll just pop those clips, and I'll show you a close-up of what they look like. So this is the fog clip. This is the bottom side, so you got a tab there. You just press that. It's going to slide back towards the back of the vehicle. Got the same thing for driver's side, and then this one, the clip is here. This is facing inward, so it's in this orientation, round side up. You're just going to press on that and then slide it back. That lets us get our bumper off. Here's what the other side looks like. There's the fog, the proximity sensors, and then fog on the other side.